Hi guys, it's Alissa, Todd, and welcome to part 2 of my 4-part travel mini-series. Last year I uploaded my current most popular video on this channel called 3 travel apps to save you money and time. And since then I've done some more research and I'm so excited for you to learn 2 more travel websites that will help you save money as you plan and book your vacations. So let's get right into it. The first website is called Travel Zoo. It is free to join and you can purchase vacation packages, entertainment, cruises, resort deals. Their competitive advantage is those bundles such as cruises or vacation packages. So if you're looking for an app or website to save money on individual flights, check out that video that I mentioned. It's my 3 travel apps to save money and time, because I do share a really great app to save you money on your flights. I know a couple of people that have recently used Travel Zoo and they've had nothing but positive things to say, so check it out. Let me know what you think. The second website that I am so excited to share is the Google ITA Matrix software. A really great friend of mine showed this to me and I've used this multiple times already. So go on to software.itamatrix.com and input your travel information. Instead of selecting exact travel dates, go with the option that shows you the option of lowest fares for the entire month, because then you'll see a grid for the entire month with the cheapest flights for each day of that month. So you can select your travel based on the flight prices. I then take it a step further by selecting the flights and looking them up on Chase Rewards and then booking those flights using my Chase Reward points. So that's an additional bonus tip for you right there. Since I love to travel, I'm always looking for ways to find the best deal. So what are some of your favorite travel apps or travel websites that you've used and that you love? And I would really like to know those. Next week, I'm sharing a video where you'll learn how to save up for travel. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified when that money tip goes up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great week.